Today I'll be showing you how to access WhatsApp files on your Android phone. So if you want to access your pics, videos, PDF, backup files, here's how you can do it on your Android phone. And it's quite easy to do. Now what you want to do is open your app drawer and then search for files. You find the traditional Android files, and if you have Google Files installed, you also find it in this section. So I'll be using the traditional files. Open this and then you want to find your phone internal storage. So if you're using a micro storage or an SD card, you can tap in this section here and you find all the storage on your device. I currently do not have any other storage, so tap on internal storage and it will bring you here. Now once here, you want to tap on Android, and then under Android you want to tap on media. In the media section here, you want to scroll and find com.whatsapp for WhatsApp and com.whatsapp.w4b for WhatsApp business. So you'll be able to access both your WhatsApp and WhatsApp business storage here. Now select the option you want to check and then tap on the storage. You find several folders here. Now for backup, you want to tap on databases here and you find all your backup. Now when you scroll to the bottom, you see the last backup. You can also go back and in the media section, you find all your media, such as your audio, PDF, images, documents, and many more. So for example, if I wanted to view a PDF document, I'll tap WhatsApp documents in this section, and it will show me all the PDF documents and the dates that they were downloaded and saved on my device. You can also go back and, for example, again, if you tap on voice notes in this section, you see they are dated in this section. So what this simply means, the first 4 digits shows you the year, the second shows you the month, and the last shows you the date of the month. So if you're finding voice notes that has been sent on a particular date, you will be able to find all of them in this section. So that's how to access your WhatsApp storage. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.